Today I'm going to show you the things that I got from the workshop again. First, it's a almond.
Hello guys.
To the next one. Banana, I kinda don't like it. I don't like his face. And his body is covering the mouth. That's why I don't like him, but he's still a cool mod. It says, this is a blackberry, but I think this is a blueberry. What do you think, guys? To the next one. It's a robot melon, and it's cool. His blades even work. To the next one. It's a roker. I don't know what that means, but he has a blade. To the next one. Robot policeman.
I'm the best robot.
To the next one. Robot type T1100. And he has a blade.
I'm still the best.
Wait, guys. We hit 10 subscribers. Want to take a look? Here you go. Thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to me. Thank you. You all that subscribe to me, thank you. Also, you all that like and comment.